Okay, keep your eyes closed. No peeking, just a little bit farther.
Okay, geez.
Walking through a door. Good. Keep your eyes closed.
My eyes have been closed for half an hour. Where are you taking me?
Well, I'm taking you somewhere very special. Okay, you can open your eyes.
Oh, Jason, this is the Williams-Peterson Aviary. This is where we met.
I wanted to take you somewhere very special today, so... do you want to...
Sit down on the bed? Sure, okay. Okay.
Whew. Carol Ann, these past 3 years of my life have been so happy.
You have a little on your shoulder.
Oh.
No, it's supposed to be good luck.
Oh.
Yeah, go on.
Okay. I could use a little luck right now. Carol Ann, these past 3 years of my life.
No, it's my lucky day.
Okay.
It's okay.
I guess we both need it.
Yeah, right? We're both lucky.
Okay. Carol Ann, these past 3 years of my life have been absolutely joyful. And you are responsible for that joy. I've never met a woman as incredible as you. And I just...
Do you want to move over there?
Yeah, I think
okay,
let's move.
Let's go.
Okay. Seems a little better.
Yeah. Okay. You were saying...
Carol Ann, these past 3 years have been the most wonderful years.
Wow, I think it's much worse over here.
What was that?
I think it was some sort of emu. Yeah, that's an emu. Yeah. Oh. I think that's 2 emus. I think that's 2 emus.
It is. They're famous for traveling in pairs.
You want to go back?
Yeah,
Let's go back over there.
Let's.
Okay. Oh, okay. Right. And I'm fine. Let's just get back over here. Yeah. Okay. All right. You were saying.
Yes. Carol Ann, these last 3 years have been so wonderful. I've fallen in love with you.
No.
And what I want to say is that...
God, you know what? This is supposed to be a magical moment. I'm
sorry, honey. Hey! Could you stop it? Birds! Stop it!
Wow.
I can't believe that worked.
I think it did. Great. Okay, go ahead.
Carol Ann, will you marry me?
Yes, Jason, I will marry you. I'll marry you. Oh,
you made me so happy.
Oh, it fits.
Does it?
Yeah. I love you so much, Jason.
Carol Ann,
I love you.
You are the most beautiful woman in the world to me right now.
And you're the most handsome man I know. I love you so much. I can't wait to have some children.